Hello everyone, it's Rufio. So one of the things that people ask me most about is backdating Git commits. I did do like a comprehensive stream on this, but the problem is it is several hours long and I realize that that's not fully accessible for everyone. So I figured I'd make a smaller tutorial just for backdating Git commits, and hopefully that will make it easier for everyone. I just want to give one further disclaimer. I am not making a new GitHub repo. This is assuming you've already initialized a repo in like a local repo and also made one on GitHub. Without further ado, let's go. So you see below me is my GitHub contribution chart. It's dark so you can't see the unfilled squares very well, but like right here, August 12th, I haven't pushed anything. So that's one I'm going to do today. I already did a coding challenge you can see over to my left, and I'm ready to push it to GitHub. So if we say git status, that's what I always like to start with. You can see all the different things that I haven't pushed up to the remote repository. And one of those is today's, or not today's, I mean technically today's, but is the 12th challenge. So what I'm going to say is I'm going to say git add, and then I'm going to put in quotation marks, and I'm going to say CC 2022 8 12 close quotation marks. Now if we say git status again, you see that these still aren't staged, but this one is. This is the file we're trying to push today, right? This is the magic part. So you say git commit, and then you say dash dash date equals quotation marks 2022 08 12 close quotation marks. Don't enter yet. Then you're going to do dash m and then quotation marks again, have some sort of commit message. So I'm going to say add coding challenge for 8/12/22 coding challenge. Close quotation marks. Now, again, this is all one line. Now we're going to enter it. Okay, so you can see here it says that the date is now for Friday, August 12th, and that's the day it's going to push it. So when we say git push, it's going to say, ooh, I did it. You're going to look over here again. If we refresh this page, you can see, look, we did it. And that is the short and sweet of how to backdate a git commit. I hope this was helpful, and as always, if there's anything I can ever do to help you on your coding journey, please let me know. All right? Peace all.